How Threatlocker works. Threatlocker uses zero trust application control to ensure that only approved software can run. Any application, file, or update not explicitly allowed will be automatically blocked, protecting your device and the entire network. Requesting access or approving updates. From time to time, you may need to install a new program or run an update. Since Threatlocker may not recognize the newly updated version, you will need to request temporary access. Here's how. When an application is blocked, a Threatlocker pop-up will appear on your screen. Click on the Request Access icon. In the request window, provide a brief description of the software or task. Enter your email address. Click Send Request. Our support team will review and approve the request if it meets security standards. For planned software installations or updates, you can also submit a ticket in advance so we can prepare accordingly.